What's up, guys? It's me, random kid doing stuff, and I'm back with another video. I haven't recorded in a while. I like my new wallpaper. I haven't recorded in forever because my storage is just like really low. I don't know if my audio quality will be that good, and yeah. Oh, wrong one. Whatever. This is good. So today we are going to play, let's play Sandbox. And comment, and so this game, you just have a bunch of stuff down here, and you can just experiment with it. So just make sure you comment down below if you'd like, if you want me to make this into a series, maybe. And yeah. So for example, we've got a brick wall. And let's say we put in some acid. Oop, I'm tilting my tablet a little, so it just went off to the side. And this game has good things, because, like, when you tilt it, it actually moves with it. So, let me clear, not erase, clear. So, also, it has some really good physics and stuff, and really good quality. So, I'm putting in some oil, and, like, say I catch it on fire. Now, it'll actually burn. Even though it's pixely, the graphics are really good. And, like, my favorite section over here is the explosive section. So, in this video, we're gonna make a big explosion. So, let's take some C4. Just color it in. I'm gonna cut to when it's all filled in. Hold on. Guys, I just realized that you might have thought this is Sandbox coloring, but this isn't. This is a completely different game that's called Sandbox. So, and by the way, this game is free for download. I will... Wait, I can't put a link to a download. At least I don't think I can. Whatever. Just go to the Google Play Store or whatever store is on your device, and just look at Sandbox, one word, and you'll probably find this. Alright. Now that that's all filled in, let's, like, make 4 boxes, I guess. And then... Oh, and by the way, sorry I'm so quiet. It's just odd. I don't know. I'm just not used to recording, really, and I don't know. Whatever. So, in all 4 of these boxes, I'm gonna put a different explosive. So, for one, I'm gonna put nitroglycerin, which is a flammable explosive acid type of liquid. I don't know exactly what it is, because I'm not that good with sciencey stuff, but yeah. And just to show that the physics are really good, I'm gonna just shake this around, and, like, you can see that it moves, and, like, you can see it moving. So let me just fill this in the rest of the way, and alright. Next up, let's do some gunpowder. I'm gonna cut to when the gunpowder is filled. Alright, now that that is done, let's fill the next one with firework powder, which personally is my favorite thing in the whole game. And either in this video or the next video, I'm gonna show you what happens when you fill the whole entire area with actually, yeah, I'll show you when you fill the whole thing with firework powder, and when you make a and how to make a continuous explosion. And it's funny that, like, it takes 5 minutes, or, like, 10 minutes. Like, this is only, like, 5 minutes to you guys, but to me it's, like, 10 minutes. Oh, and by the way, this is thermite, which is an explosive thing. I don't know what it is exactly. But, like, to you, it takes, like, 5.5 minutes, but to me it takes, like, 15. So, once this is all filled, I will put a fuse and show you what happens. In real life, not like in a video, but like before at a Dunkin' Donuts, actually, I tested this out, but instead of doing 4 substances, I just did 2 firework powder and 2 gunpowder. But this is gonna be cooler. So I'm just gonna put a fuse, drag it all the way down the edge, and there. And just for fun, I am going to, I'm gonna put a little uranium. Oh, that exploded. Well, alright, that was cool. By the way, uranium, I just realized, is explosive when it touches a fuse. What just happened? It just, like, wiped out everything. Alright, let's see what uranium actually does. Because, like, I've never even experimented with it. Like, when it touched the fuse, yeah. That's weird, because, like, when it, oh my god, that's weird. When it took, alright. When it touches the fuse, it just starts to burn, and then blows up. Oh, and by the way, fun fact, diamond, which is what I have here, is the strongest material on Earth. So, acid won't even melt it. And did you know that, like, say you get a diamond ring, you know how to check if it's a real diamond? Try and scratch some glass. If it scratches up the glass, it's a real diamond. If it doesn't, it's a fake one. Alright, alright. I'm gonna leave the video off when it gets to like 10 minutes or so. Alright, anyways. I will show you now a cool fuse design. So you can just take a fuse and draw wherever the heck you want. Let's say I do this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Yeah. And then you can intersect it so it'll go multiple ways. And then make it go off there and boom. And let's say we use some uranium to blow it up. Just because I feel like it. Yeah. It's just really neat and cool. And now the uranium's turning red and it's gonna blow up, I think. And yo, that is cool. Let me just fill like the whole area up with uranium. I'm gonna cut and resume. Oh, never mind. Uranium just goes by itself, I guess. Alrighty. Well, that's cool. Alright. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, well, you get the point. Make sure you, where the heck is it? You get what I'm trying to do. Whatever. Make sure you like, comment if you'd like to see more. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And shout out to my friend 8Polecat394 on Xbox. his YouTube is It's Blaze202, and I got a trick for you. So if you watch his videos, just type down in the comments that he's gay. It'll probably be so hilarious. And you might be wondering why out of C4. Well, I'll show you. Gonna connect every single letter with a fuse. Just a video stretch pretty much now. And whatever. Alright, you ready, guys? Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain! Oh! Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you'd like this to be a series. Bye-bye!